Large dial. An extra large, colorful 3-1/4 inch dial makes this oven thermometer easy to read. Highly accurate. The temperature ranges from 100 degrees to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Temp indication. The dial features a glass lens with a red pointer to indicate temperature. Durable. The stainless steel construction provides strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Versatile design. This unique design can be hung from a rack or stand on its own. NSF. The thermometer is NSF, National Sanitation Foundation, certified so it complies with all required standards for the quality, durability and cleanability of consumer products. Ensure your food is cooking at the proper temperature with this large dial oven thermometer from Taylor. An extra large, colorful 3.25 dial makes this wireless oven thermometer easy to read. The oven temperature gauge also features a glass lens with a red pointer to indicate accurate temperatures from 100 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. Stainless steel construction provides strength, durability, and corrosion resistance. Uniquely designed for all oven types, this large dial thermometer can be hung from a rack or stand on its own. Top reviews from the United States. Answered my temperature question. For the last 2 to 3 months I've questioned if my oven temp was correct because nothing seemed to cook in the correct amount of time. Had a repair guy come, said everything was great. He was wrong. My oven is 25+ off. Repair guy is coming back and I'm not paying him.